Sony A7 IV.
Today we are in Advanced Media to speak about the new camera from Sony, the A7 V, and to get in-depth review about hybrid cameras in general and the A7 V especially.
Advanced Media.
I'm just built different.